Welcome to the future of luxury living where kitchens evolve beyond imagination. Meet the AutoChef, the revolutionary robotic kitchen innovation that's redefining premium homes and setting a new standard in modern living. With AutoChef, everyone gets to become super chef instantly. Digital recipes and robotic kitchens will change the world forever. Time for this technology has come. For developers crafting premium properties, the AutoChef is more than just a modular kitchen with high-tech appliances. It's a game changer. It's a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology, elegance, and practicality that makes homes smarter, saves time, and adds undeniable value. Imagine presenting potential buyers with a home that features a chef-less kitchen, offering convenience and luxury they never knew they needed. Why choose the AutoChef? Let's start with time. This one-click cooking solution empowers residents to focus on what matters most. With thousands of star chef recipes at their fingertips, they can whip up anything from gourmet meals to simple snacks, all without lifting a finger. No more manual cooking. No more mundane kitchen tasks. And for developers, smart homes equipped with the AutoChef sell faster. They stand out in a competitive market, offering higher ROI with features that resonate with tech-savvy, future-ready buyers. The AutoChef isn't just smart, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Scalable and adaptable, it fits seamlessly into any premium space, making it perfect for modern villas, apartments, or luxury penthouses. It's energy efficient, sustainable, and cuisine agnostic, catering to every culinary preference from Middle Eastern feasts to Italian delicacies. With advanced hygiene and health-focused features, the AutoChef takes care of nutrition tracking and cleanliness, ensuring every meal is as safe as it is delicious. It's a true innovation for health-conscious families and individuals. The era of manual modular kitchens is over. Today, homes need to be future-ready, and the AutoChef delivers on every promise. It empowers everyone from the busiest professionals to aspiring chefs to become a super chef with gourmet results at the touch of a button. So, developers, are you ready to move into the future? Homes equipped with the AutoChef don't just sell, they inspire. They represent progress, luxury, and the art of smart living. The future of premium living starts here. Be a tech adapter, be a market leader, and redefine what it means to live in a smart home. The AutoChef, because smart kitchens make smart homes. Are you ready to choose the future?
The AutoChef is more than a kitchen, it's a revolution. Designed to save time and energy, this cutting-edge technology is the ultimate solution for modern living. In the next 5 years, homes without an AutoChef will look as outdated as homes without fully automatic machines do today. This energy-efficient marvel not only reduces your carbon footprint but also frees humanity from mundane kitchen chores, empowering you to focus on what truly matters. Imagine cooking gourmet meals at the touch of a button, with thousands of recipes pre-programmed by top chefs. The AutoChef is sustainable, adaptable, and built for the future, blending elegance with advanced technology to enhance your life. If you value your time and prioritize smart living, the AutoChef is a must-have. The time for this technology has come. Don't let your home fall behind. Choose the AutoChef and step into the future of hassle-free luxury living.